Now shifting focus, we're getting some more breaking news. Counting is underway in Maharashtra's most crucial civic polls, and make no mistake, this is far more than local politics. Today's verdict is being seen as the semi-finals before the biggest political battle of all, the fight for Mumbai and the BMC. The ruling Mahayuti is united and looking to consolidate power, while the opposition Mahavikas Aghadi heads into this Mumbai contest divided. The Congress choosing to go solo, and the Thackeray cousins have united for the battle. With Mumbai at stake next year, today's civic results could well decide the momentum. The question everyone is asking, will these polls decide Mumbai ka king kaun?
हम कांग्रेस पार्टी इस बार चुनाव अकेला लड़ रहे हैं। महाविकास आघाड़ी के साथ हमने पार्लियामेंट के चुनाव लड़े, असेंबली के चुनाव लड़े, लेकिन इधर लोकल बॉडी के चुनाव है। लोकल बॉडी के चुनाव लोकल लेवल पे कांग्रेस करते हैं।
So the counting is underway in Maharashtra civic polls, and what we're learning is that BJP leads in 85 municipalities and BJP ally Shiv Sena is ahead in 41. Mahayuti ally Ajit Pawar's NCP is leading in 32 seats and Uddhav Sena is ahead in 10 seats. NCP Sharad Pawar leads in 12, whereas Congress is leading in 16. So that's the latest update as far as the counting of the Maharashtra civic polls is concerned. The BJP currently is leading in 85 municipalities, whereas Shiv Sena, BJP's ally, is ahead in 41. If we talk about Ajit Pawar's NCP, that is leading in 32 seats. If we talk about the opposition, Uddhav Sena is ahead in 10. NCP Sharad Pawar leads in 12, whereas Congress in 16 seats. My colleague Omkar Bable is now joining us with more details on this. Omkar, how crucial are these Maharashtra civic polls, and can this be seen as a semi-final to what is going to happen in Mumbai?
Exactly, whatever is happening, this is before the municipal corporation elections. But the recent update is the BJP is leading almost 100 municipal councils right now. Counting is going on. Right now I'm standing in the Baramati, where the second house is almost sum up. Baramati is traditionally a fort of Pawar, fort of Ajit Pawar and Sharad Pawar. But interestingly, Ajit Pawar is leading here because Sharad Pawar party, after the Sharad Pawar faction, was fighting against the Ajit Pawar in the Baramati. But the main thing is, if you go through the whole picture of Maharashtra, it clearly says before municipal corporation elections, especially the BMC elections and other the big municipal corporations in Maharashtra.
All right, we'll try to fix that connection with Omkar, who's getting us the latest on the counting that is underway in the Maharashtra civic polls. And as per the latest details, BJP is leading on 85 municipalities, whereas BJP's ally Shiv Sena is ahead in 41. And if we talk about Ajit Pawar's NCP, that is leading in 32 seats. And as my colleague Omkar was mentioning, Baramati, that is the stronghold of the NCP of Sharad Pawar, of Ajit Pawar, which has now been divided into two parts. There is Ajit Pawar's NCP, there is NCP Sharad Pawar. But if we talk about Baramati, Ajit Pawar's NCP is leading from there. So BJP is leading in 85 municipalities. BJP ally Shiv Sena is ahead in 41. Ajit Pawar's NCP is leading in 32 seats. And if you talk about the opposition, Uddhav Sena is ahead in 10 seats and NCP Sharad Pawar is leading in 12. My colleague Omkar is now back with us. Omkar, please continue.
Frame. Exactly. Well, the recent update is BJP is leading in almost 100 municipal councils right now. This is considered as a litmus test for upcoming municipal corporations election, and especially after these all elections, after January, there will be not a single elections in Maharashtra is going to be held directly. All parties will directly face the Lok Sabha elections, but the local cadre and the local karyakartas are now coming out for the voting and everything. But the interesting thing is, BJP is still remain as the largest party in the Maharashtra, even in the local body elections. still the municipal corporation elections are coming up. At least till now we can say they are leading. Second number Shiv Sena and Ajit Pawar, Shiv Sena of Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, they are still struggling in local body elections. But at least till now, right now I'm standing in the Baramati, a fort of Pawar family, where again Ajit Pawar is leading because he was contesting all the seats and he threw all the candidates for the 41 seats. But Sharad Pawar couldn't make it because local body elections where the Ajit Pawar used to handle everything, he used to mobilize all the issues. Now somehow he managed 8 seats to get unopposed, but contesting all the seats, and Sharad Pawar is contesting almost 16 seats. So Baramati, at the end of second round, we can clearly say Baramati will be retained by Ajit Pawar. But in the Maharashtra overview, BJP is going to be this largest party in all local body elections.
Thank you so much for getting us those details. So the biggest takeaway as of now is that BJP is the largest party as of now. It is leading in over 100 municipalities, whereas its ally Shiv Sena is ahead in 41. If we talk about particularly the Baramati seat, which has been a stronghold of the Pawar family, Ajit Pawar's NCP is leading from there. Sharad Pawar's NCP is behind, and it is also pertinent to note that this comes ahead of BMC elections. And if we talk about Maha Vikas Aghadi is not even fighting the BMC polls united. Congress will be fighting solo, whereas if you talk about the Shiv Sena, the UBT Shiv Sena, the Thackeray brothers, the cousins, have united, and they will be fighting together. So the Maha Vikas Aghadi, the cracks are visible. In fact, the cracks are out, and they will be fighting. They are not fighting unitedly the BMC polls, and these civic polls are being seen as a litmus test, as a semi-final for the BMC polls.